Imagine, if you will, a universe where we are not alone, where the glimmering spheres in the night sky are not just distant celestial bodies, but homes to life as we know it. Could this be our reality? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. In our quest to understand the universe, we've discovered a new type of planet, known as an exoplanet. These are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system, and they've opened up a whole new realm of possibilities in our search for life beyond Earth. Scientists, using state-of-the-art technology and complex calculations, have started to identify these exoplanets, and among them, they're searching for something very specific. They're looking for planets that exist in a sweet spot, a place not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life to exist. It's a search that could change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. One such exoplanet that has caught the attention of scientists is Kepler 296e. Why? Let's delve deeper. Have you heard of the Goldilocks Zone? No, it's not a fairy tale, it's something much more exciting. Imagine a region in space, a kind of cosmic sweet spot, where the conditions are just right for life as we know it to exist. It's not too hot, causing water to evaporate away, and it's not too cold where water would freeze solid. This is what scientists call the Goldilocks Zone, named after the familiar children's story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears, where Goldilocks preferred things that were just right. But what does just right mean in a cosmic sense? It means that a planet in the Goldilocks zone is at a suitable distance from its star, similar to how Earth orbits the Sun at just the right distance, allowing for a moderate climate and the existence of liquid water. Remember, water is the key ingredient for life as we know it. No water, no life. So when scientists search the cosmos for potentially habitable exoplanets, they are looking for planets within this Goldilocks zone. It's like a cosmic real estate search, hunting for planets with the right neighborhood conditions for life. Now, this doesn't guarantee that life exists on these planets. There are other factors to consider, such as the planet's atmosphere, its size, and its geological activity. But finding a planet in the Goldilocks zone, that's a promising start. One such promising start is Kepler 296e, an exoplanet that has found its home within this Goldilocks zone. But what does this mean for the possibility of life? Kepler 296e's location within the Goldilocks zone is not a mere coincidence. It's a promising sign of life beyond Earth. Let's delve deeper into what makes this location so significant. The Goldilocks zone, also known as the habitable zone, is a region around a star where conditions are just right. Not too hot, not too cold for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. This zone is crucial because where there's water, there's the potential for life. Or so we believe, based on life as we know it here on Earth. Now, consider Kepler 296e. This exoplanet is nestled right in the Goldilocks zone of its star, Kepler 296, which is roughly half the size and 5% as bright as our Sun.
Given its position, the planet receives about half as much sunlight as Earth does, which is just enough to maintain a temperature range suitable for liquid water. But the location alone isn't everything. The planet's size plays a role too. Kepler 296e is twice the size of Earth, which means it has a stronger gravitational pull. This could potentially allow it to hold onto a substantial atmosphere, another key component for life as we know it. The fact that Kepler 296e is located within its star's habitable zone and has the potential for an atmosphere increases the possibility of this planet having liquid water. This is why scientists consider Kepler 296e to be a super-Earth, a type of exoplanet that could potentially support life. Of course, these are all educated guesses based on our current understanding of life and the universe. The exact conditions on Kepler 296e are still a mystery. There may be other factors at play that we haven't considered or aren't even aware of yet. But that's the beauty of space exploration. It's a journey into the unknown, a quest to unravel the secrets of the universe and our place within it. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll find that we're not alone, but location is just one piece of the puzzle. What else does Kepler 296e have to offer? Kepler 296e is not just another exoplanet. It's a beacon of hope for human civilization, an unassuming celestial body that's been the subject of intense scrutiny since its discovery. Why, you might ask? Well, it's because Kepler 296e holds the potential for life as we know it. Let's start with the basics.
Kepler 296e is about twice the size of Earth, a size that's comfortably within the range of what we consider habitable planets. It's not so large that its gravity would be crushing, but not so small that it couldn't maintain an atmosphere, a delicate balance that's crucial for harboring life. Speaking of atmosphere, current data suggests that Kepler 296e could potentially have one that's conducive to life. While we don't have concrete evidence yet, the possibility exists. Scientists speculate that the atmosphere could contain nitrogen and oxygen, two key components for supporting life as we know it on Earth. The composition of Kepler 296e2 is intriguing. It's thought to be a water world, with vast oceans covering its surface. This leads us to believe that if life does exist on Kepler 296e, it could be aquatic in nature. Imagine that, an entire planet teeming with alien marine life. Now, why does all this matter? Why should we care about a distant exoplanet light years away from us? Because Kepler 296e represents a potential new home for humanity. As we continue to grapple with the challenges of climate change and resource scarcity here on Earth, the idea of a new habitable world is an enticing prospect. But let's be clear, it's not about abandoning Earth. It's about expanding our horizons, about ensuring the survival of human civilization in the event of a cataclysmic event. It's about not putting all our eggs in one planetary basket. Could Kepler 296e be our future home? The answer may not be as far-fetched as you might think. Humanity has always been a species of explorers, but could our next frontier be an exoplanet like Kepler 296e? As the cosmos continues to unfold its mysteries, our species has begun to entertain the prospect of a future beyond the confines of our home planet. Kepler 296e, with its Goldilocks Zone location and life-supporting atmosphere, presents an intriguing candidate for human civilization migration. The concept of a single-planet civilization, while comforting in its familiarity, may no longer be sustainable in the long run. Earth's resources are finite, and the challenges we face, from climate change to potential cosmic threats, are mounting. The future of human civilization, therefore, might well lie in our ability to become multiplanetary. Of course, migrating to an exoplanet like Kepler 296e is not without its challenges. The journey itself, spanning light years, is no small feat. Then there's the task of establishing a self-sustaining civilization in an alien world. But these obstacles, daunting as they may seem, have the potential to drive innovation and technological advancement. After all, necessity has always been the mother of invention. We might develop faster than light travel, or create generation ships to carry our descendants to distant worlds. We might master terraforming, transforming inhospitable landscapes into new Edens. Or we might even learn to tweak our own biology, adapting ourselves to thrive in alien environments. The possibilities are as boundless as the cosmos itself. And so as we gaze upon the night sky, we look at Kepler 296e not merely as a distant exoplanet, but as a beacon of hope, a potential new chapter in our evolutionary story. It serves as a reminder that our survival as a species might depend not just on our ability to adapt to our environment, but also to venture beyond it. Kepler 296e represents a new hope, a new chapter in our quest for life beyond Earth, and perhaps, just perhaps, a new home for humanity.